Okay, so number 22 for 2024 AMC 10A. So the K is the kite we are given that is formed by using two right triangles with legs R1 and √3. So since we are told this is a right triangle, so this is immediately 90 degrees, and you can show that by Pythagorean. So, but also, 1, √3, and 2, this is our special right triangle, 36 and 90 as well. So that should be useful. So based on that, we want to find the area of the ABC, but also we are told we have 8 copies of K, which is going to be useful. So let me kind of highlight those so we can kind of see a bit differently. So this is one of these. I mean, this is 2 of these. So this is one to the left, one to the right. And then you can kind of continue in this. So we have 2 more right here. So this is just the upside down version of this one. And you can see like we have another one right here. So if you can ignore ABC, like triangle ABC, so it's kind of easier to visually see that. So we already have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. And then this is going to be 6. And then this guy right here is 7. So this guy will be 8. Okay, so this is what we have. So we have 8 of these, but I think we are convinced with that. So, but what I'm going to do, maybe I should pull this back. So our goal is to find the area of the ABC. So if I can find the AB and the distance between C and that AB, so that would be enough. So let's see if we can find that. So one of the things is, this was 30, 60, 90. So which means this is 30 degrees and this is 60 degrees and this is 60 and this is 30 degrees. So the smaller angle is 30, the other one is 120. So in this case, this guy will be 60, so this guy will be 60. So I will just write this is 60, and this is 60 as well. And same reasoning, so we can see this guy is 60, and then this guy is 60. That means this segment actually like a straight line. So that is just going through all the way, okay? Because you have 180 degrees. So, and also, maybe I should label these a bit so we can make a bit visual. So I'll say if I call this is T, and I'll call this is T, and let's say this is K. So that triangle is actually special because if I find the AB, so the distance right here is going to be height of the triangle because we show this is a straight line. And then this corner is 90 because this is part of the between the intersection of 1 and √3. So which is why if I can show this line is parallel to AB, then I can just find that distance, and then I will find AB as well. So the triangle we are given in this like ATK. So let me make it a bit bigger. So if I draw that. Right, so that would be H. So we know that the top angle, this was 60, this is 60 as well. So this is 60, this is 60. And then we know these two guys are equal because this is the longer side of this kite, and then this is the same as well. So which will force these to be 30 degrees without really having this perpendicular. We can just say that. So since this is perpendicular, because 30, 60, so we can just say that should be 90 as well, or this is isosceles when you drop the perpendicular, so that should be going through a middle point. So we know that this was √3, this is √3, so the 30 degrees has to be opposite half of this, so that's T, and then this is H. So TH is gonna be √3/2 because of 30, 60. And the AH has to be, this guy is √3/2, but this is the side that is opposite 6 degrees right here. So we multiply this by root 3. So that should be 3 over 2. AH, AK is identical. So which means AK will be twice as much, which is 3. And KB will be 3 as well. So from here, so we know AB is just 4 times 3, which is 6. Okay, so this is good. So it's promising. And I do know TH already root 3 over 2. And if I call this is, I don't know, LLT is also known because this is the same as root 3. Because if you remember the original figure, this was one of my kites. So that's going to be root 3. So if you want to find the LT is going to be same as the height of the triangle ABC. So when you take AB as base, so that should be root 3 plus root 3 over 2, which is 3 root 3 over 2. And the area would be just now, base is 6, the height is 3 root 3 over 2, and take the half of this product. So that should be 9 over 2 root 3. So it was complicated, to be honest, because the visual wasn't really nice looking. But when you somehow find a piece of the given figure by using whatever you are given in terms of the given provided information, so it was kind of useful. So actually not kind of, it was just useful because that's the only thing we use. But the concept wise, just 30, 60, 90. But as you see, this was number 22, which is a bit challenging. Anyway, I hope that was clear. So that was the answer.